This is Princess Diaries with Arsha Nicole. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Now, let's get back to the video.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were gone, then you couldn't. Yeah, if I were gone, then you could manage. Manage, yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. That I can have this moment for life. You could do it.
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my
So today we have to go to the DMV, like I've been telling you guys. They have to come fix Amir's furniture in his room. I have to put up my furniture in my room, and then I'll show y'all the new furniture in our rooms, because I didn't want to redo my room without redoing Amir's room, because his room needed bad, like bad. So I redid his whole room, y'all will see. And yeah, I think that will be the end of this vlog. I can't wait to show y'all my new room and how I'm gonna do it, because it's so cute. I have to go pick up a cabinet. And redo my cabinet and pick up little things for the cabinet. But other than that, my room will be completed, and I'm so excited. But let's just get to the DMV, because yeah, your girl is late. So when you first walk into my room, this is what it looks like. So I basically had to repaint this whole wall. I'll put in pictures of what it looked like before. I had to, you can kind of see, like, I was too short to even go up there or get a chair or do anything. So like I had to redo this whole wall, because it was like wallpaper, and then the wallpaper messed up the walls. So I had to patch up the walls. You can still see the little patches, but it looks better than before. So okay, let's start over here. Here is my little table that I'm gonna be using for like mukbangs, and when I want to record myself eating, like what I'm about to do now, I'm gonna just clear it off and use that. Or like for any YouTube stuff, I may just have this as like my little content table. But right now it's just got decorations on it. So let's just see. So these little wedding cake candles came from Amazon. Let me focus. It's not focusing. There it is. These little wedding cake candles came from Amazon. I love the decorations. I thought it was so tea. And then I had like this little perfume rack. I bought it for this shelf, but it's not big enough. So I'll just leave it right here for now. I got this new fluffy comforter, also from Amazon. It was about $60. It didn't come with this sheet. I've been had the sheet, but it came with 2 pillowcases and a comforter sham. Whew, I'm out of breath for some reason. Okay, so like my table, it needs to be cleaned off, don't mind that. My table, I got like a little empty champagne bottle for decoration. I got this LED love sign. I got a little Care Bears, and this one is Be Me Bear. And this bear is about being yourself. This bear stands for being yourself, and this bear always encourages its friends to be their self. And I've always watched Care Bears when I was little. When I would go to sleep, my mom would put on Care Bears for me. So I just love Care Bears. Okay, then I got my Louis V bag, and I added some lights, but it had already came with one light, so that was cute. My little baby. And perfumes, more perfumes, and then like my makeup stuff. So everything, all of my makeup is in here because there's nowhere to put it over here. Nowhere. So then of course my TV. We're gonna have to get this fixed eventually, paint this. And my big mirror. So this is what it's looking like. And I am obsessed with my room. I don't even want to leave my room. I love it here. But yeah, we're about to go eat the chipotle now and watch something on YouTube. So let's go. Okay, so I got Doritos, nachos, taco shells, and then my bowl. Okay. Vinaigrette and lettuce. Okay, let's play the video. A little reaction time. Now, I don't normally watch King Sid, but it popped up on my homepage, so I was just like, why not, you know? So let's just see what they talk about. It's so hard to get this thing open. Or it might be my nail. Okay, it feels like y'all are over my house. Go ahead.
So basically, they won't be able to see each other, alright? So this game is based off of Riz. If you have no Riz, you will get declined. But if you got a good talk game, you feel me? You might be still in the game. Alright, so, hey, y'all boys good. Alright, if you don't like the girl, right swap. If you do like your date, right stay. Now let's get into the game. First guy walk up. Let me see.
Let's try it. Okay, hold on.
Tallahassee, Florida, and play swap or stay. We got 10 guys and 10 girls, and we got this current in between. So basically, they won't be able to see each other, all right? So this game is based off of Riz. If you have no Riz, you will get declined. But if you got some good talk game, you feel me? You might be still in the game, all right? So, I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys, good luck, all right? If you don't like the girl, right swap. If you do like your date, right stay. Now let's get into it.
Oh my goodness, it's another package.
I'm fucking with that. Okay. I can just show you better than I can tell you though.
So he do got expensive pants on.
Oh, okay. So how long you been in Tally?
I just moved down here.
What for? Like
just content, better opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Cause you feel me, ain't shit in Philly. You know what I'm saying? So just came down here, and now I'm going crazy with my dog.
Okay, what do you do for your like occupation? What do you do for your work?
I do OnlyFans.
You do OnlyFans?
I do OnlyFans.
Oh shoot! Girls usually say that.
I do OnlyFans, but like you can't knock the hustle because like I'm buying Birkins and shit. You know what I'm saying? So like it's just up to you. You pick your poison.
Okay.
So we got. All right, timer's up. How about that? Timer's up.
Okay.
All right, both of y'all, please write on your boards. On 3, reveal your boards. Okay, we got somebody. Reveal your board. Reveal your board. Oh! Okay. We got 2 swaps. We got. Hey.
How you gonna swap me?
Go ahead and look at
Birkin. You ain't believe me?
No, but the OnlyFans threw me. I'm not into that. I go to church and stuff. So.
Okay.
Oh wait, you go to church?
Yeah.
Praise God.
Damn.
God.
Amen. You're the boss.
Let's go.
Okay.
I'm not the but...
Hey, next guy, walk up. Okay, Reynaldo. Oh, sorry. Hey, next girl, walk up. Okay. Ooh. I'm talking about it.
Nigga, I'm ready to get in it right now.
All right, so 3, 2, 1.
Hey, beautiful. What's your name?
Hey, I'm Gabby.
You Gabby? I'm Ray. Gabby. That's a pretty name.
Yeah.
Where you from?
Gainesville.
Gainesville? Okay, I'm from South Florida.
Red flag.
Red flag? How does red flag?
I heard Broward guys are a little...
Broward guys do it.
South Florida is not only Broward.
I know that.
You got West Palm too.
West Palm? Yeah. I like West Palm.
I'm West Palm.
Wait, hold on. Why you talking? Why you talking?
I'm sorry.
Wait, hold on. Why you talking to another nigga? You supposed to be my ball.
Oh.
Strict over here.
I don't play. Hey, listen, I don't play with my shit. I don't play with my shit. Okay. What's your first impression of a guy?
You mean like what do I look for?
Yeah,
like,
what you look for?
Okay, teeth, how you smell, how you look. What you got on? Really, it depends. Like you can wear some chill shit and still.
And she not talking to me? No, but
hey, listen, I like how you ain't reply to him. See, you could be my little shit. I like my shit. Hey, I'm Haitian. I follow him in 24 hours. You my shit.
Some girls like for guys to be like.
I think I pretty much.
Really doing too much.
I'm Haitian. That
doesn't mean you know how to.
Listen, girl, I know how to cook, and I'll show you after this video when I take you home tonight.
I am not your child.
All right.
I am not married.
All right.
Haitian spaghetti.
Cooking with Ray. Cooking with Ray.
No, I dead ass.
Timer's up. Everybody stop. Stop real quick. Right. Swap or stay. You got 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yo, hold on.
Stop. Before, hey, hold on. You better, I don't know what's going on, but you better think twice before I see your board, okay?
Okay.
Think twice.
Right, let me think again. Got it.
Oh! Hey, she wrote swap.
That how you gonna do me? Hey, we just had a conversation.
I'm sorry.
Hey, 30 minutes ago. I just talked to you.
Still cool.
I just talked to you 30 minutes ago.
Let me taste your food and I might change my answer.
Shit. Can I get a goodbye hug? Like goodbye hug?
Yeah.
Just let it go. Listen, if you give her, she mine. I don't give a fuck about this board. You mine.
Hey, I want to let you know. She gave me a hug before the video too.
Yeah.
She gave me a hug.
Hey, put the boards back. Put the boards.
She gave me a number before the video. What's up?
She gave me a number before the video. What's up? Instagram before the video. Number before the video.
Next guy.
That boy got black forces.
No socks.
Okay. Next female. I'm a hand pick. Oh. Okay. We like that shit. 3, 2, 1.
So what's your name is?
Ashley, what's yours?
You call him D.
You said D?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What you looking for in a man?
Just communication, really. Somebody.
Welcome back. So I want to do like this little Princess Diaries type thing. I hope you guys are liking the vlog so far. So we should include the house tour, and then we did like a little chipotle mukbang. So it's the next day, and what's it called? I just got finished doing a client eyebrows. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of my day. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Asha Nicole if you're new here, but if you're not, welcome back.